In this lesson, I discuss the definition of simple bar diagram and an example and a particular problem. What is meant by a simple bar diagram? Constructing the bar diagram with only one variable, with one kind of representation. If you represent the bar diagram, the diagrammatic representation of bar diagram with one variable, the values of the one variable, such representation is known as, such construction of bar diagram is known as simple bar diagram, with only one particular category, with only one particular value of the variable. For example, sales or profits, agricultural production, industrial production, income, etc., whatever it is. One value of the population characteristic, values of one particular population characteristic. So such representation is known as simple bar diagram. So it is one example. So different years are given here, and production of a company, it was given here maybe in tons or kilos. You can consider. It may have. So therefore, now I represent this particular data into a bar diagram, construct a bar diagram. The question is construct the bar diagram of this particular data. So we can construct either horizontal or vertically. So I am constructing in one such particular fashion here. So this is what you have considered. So if you consider here on x-axis, then we can simply represent while taking one particular centimeter and by leaving another particular centimeter, etc. So there is no particular barrier. This is 2000, this is 2005, 2010, 2015 and 2020. This is what the years I have represented, the time periods I have represented on x-axis. So no bar on y-axis. No need to construct the y-axis, but just for representing the value of the variable in systematic pattern, it is required. After that, you can just remove it. So like that, you see here 950 up to 6450 we have. So I am considering nearly 6500. For every 500 and a suitable scale, I am considering for y-axis. For y-axis scale, it is going to be represented as 1 centimeter is equal to, for example, 500 units. If we consider, it is better consideration. Now I am representing here 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, etc. I have represented 2500, 3000, 35, 4, 45, 5, etc. I have to represent more. 5500, 6000, 6500, etc. 1500, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, and this is 6500. That is maximum which is required enough, right? So this is what the consideration we have to consider. So now we have to represent 2000. For the year 2000, it is 950. So approximately I am drawing here, it is 950, somewhere here it is going to be. I am considering bar, I am representing bar in this fashion. This is 950. And then 1220. So this is what 1220. Approximately I am drawing here 1220. And then 2560. So it is 2500. Here it is. $2,560, and then 4,780. This is 400, 4,500, and here it is somewhere in between. So we can represent it. And 4,560, 4,780, and then 6,450. So I represent, this is what 6,4. $6,450. Now you observe here, this is what the one such a beautiful bar diagram, in which you can easily observe that in which year it is more, and we can also easily explain, and we can also give it easy one particular conclusion that the year by year the production is going to be increasing. So the growth of the company, it can be easily seen. It can be easily explained. So therefore, that is what the one particular important conclusion, important factor of representing the bar diagram. Usage of the bar diagram. Even a layman can easily understand this. In what is the way of increasing this particular, whether it is increasing or decreasing, it is growing or not, the production of the company is growing or not, it all can be easily explained or say by a layman. So that is what the representation of simple bar diagram. This is what, if you draw a one value of the one variable, if represented for a particular year, for a particular time period, then such a bar diagram is known as simple bar diagram. Here we have represented for a year only one company. If you represented more than one company, it is not a simple bar diagram. So it is, if you represent only one variable of the category, then it is nothing but simple bar diagram. Hope you understand. Thank you.